Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a simple nail art with the different gel polish colors you are seeing on this palette. Just I think a side French, if I can say that. That's what I'll be doing today on this short square set. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share to anyone that might be interested in learning something new. And if you'd like me to do a short tutorial on how I got this square set, kindly let me know in the comment section. So I'll start in the challenge by Markei Mark. Would you rather challenge? So I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'll try to do mine. So there are some should I call them topics or what I'm saying? That's what would you rather do? So the first one says, would you rather read minds or see into the future? I think I'd rather see into the future so I can know what the future has in stock for me. Then would you rather sneeze all the time or hiccup all the time? I don't like any of this, so I'm not going to pick any of that. Then would you rather know when you die or know how you die? I think I'd rather know when, so that I can make preparations and do what I have to do before then. Then would you rather own a private island or own a private jet? This is a little bit dicey. Okay, I'd rather own a private jet so I can fly everywhere I want to go to, and I can also use it for a business purpose. Okay, then would you rather wear the same clothes for a week or not shower for a week? I'd rather wear the same clothes for a week because it's a little bit hot in Nigeria, and I won't be able to stay for a week without having my bath. Then would you rather lose your sense of smell or lose your sense of taste? They are both important. But nevertheless, I think I'd rather lose my sense of smell than lose my sense of taste. Because if I lose my sense of taste, I won't be able to taste the food I eat, and that would not be nice. Then would you rather never be able to speak again or never be able to stop talking? I'm not going to pick any of this. I don't like the sound of both of them, so I'll pass that. Then would you rather be a Batman or a Spider-Man? I think a Spider-Man. I'd rather be a Spider-Man. Would you rather lose all important documents or lose every picture you've ever taken? I think I'll prefer to lose every picture I've ever taken, and I prefer to have all my important documents. I put so much work in any of those documents. They must not get missing. So they must not be lost. So would you rather put a stop to war or end world hunger? I don't know what to pick. I think I'd rather put a stop to war, because if there's no war, people can actually work or farm and get food. Then would you rather age from the neck up or age only from the neck down? I think I'll prefer to age from the neck down so I can still look pretty. Okay, would you rather lose your key or lose your cell phone? I can lose my keys. It's not so expensive to change keys, but it can be expensive to change your phone and the contacts you have on them. So I'd rather lose my keys. Then would you rather get a paper cut between your fingers or bite your tongue? I don't know. What's a paper cut between my fingers? I think I'd rather get a paper cut between my fingers because it gets healed. The fingers get healed on time, so I prefer that. Would you rather be too hot or be too cold? I don't like this. I don't like to be too hot and I don't like to be too cold. In fact, I catch cold easily, so I don't like to be too cold. So I'm going to pass that. I don't know what to pick. I don't want to be too hot and I don't want to be too cold. Okay. The last one says, would you rather eat pizza every day or never be able to eat pizza again? Pizza is not my favorite food, so I'll rather never be able to eat pizza again. I can eat another thing. So I'm a Nigerian, I'm a Yoruba lady, I love my swallow. So I prefer to eat my swallow than to eat pizza. So that is the end of this challenge. I don't know if I did well or not. This is my first time of trying a challenge like this. Because honestly, I don't really like talking in my videos. But because I was tagged, I didn't want to let her down. Markei, you made me do this. I'm not going to be tagging anybody in this because I don't want to tag anyone. Okay, I think I should tag someone. So I'm going to be tagging PQ Color and HG Signatures. So if you're watching this, I'm tagging you. If you want to do it, fine. If you don't want to do it, then it's okay by me. So that is that. I've come to the end of today's tutorial. So right now I'm just applying my top coat. I'm going to cure it for 120 seconds after applying, and that will be all. So if you have enjoyed this video, this tutorial, and you like what you see here, kindly click on the subscribe button to join this wonderful family. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share to anyone that you know would like to learn something new. Till next time, bye.